Disclaimer: this channel is not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only.
What's up mga tekoy-koy? Here's a tutorial on how to use free internet using Globe and TM SIM cards without registering any promo or any regular load balance. Please follow the on-screen tutorials. First thing to do is to open your browser. I'm using Chrome, so I'll open Chrome. And when you're in your browser, please type phcarl.com or www.phcarl.com here, and then scroll down and find this one, the internet tricks, then click go. When you're here, please read this tutorial or just watch this video. Download the requirements: the SACS HTTP pigscan fly modded, and then the config file made by phcarl. Please download both of them. And then if you have downloaded that, please install the SACS HTTP pigscan fly APK. So after you have installed it, please open that app, the SACS HTTP app, and then click the three dots above, the three dots, the upper right corner. Then please click import or export and click import configuration. Now all you have to do is to find your downloaded file. In my case, I have placed it in this folder, in this SACS HTTP folder, so I will click it. For your case, please find it where you have downloaded it, SACS HTTP folder, and then click your downloaded configuration file, which is the phcarl.free.sks. After that, please click start. Please wait until it gets connected. Still connecting. And yes, it's connected now. It's connected. If you can't connect or you're stuck in this 200 connection established, please follow these instructions. First one is to change your access point name. All you have to do is to go to settings, and then in my case, I'm using Xiaomi phone, so I'll find it here, SIM cards and mobile networks. I'll click this, the TM, and then access point names. All you have to do is to change from My Globe Internet to My Globe Internet Postpaid to My Globe Internet Prepaid, and then please connect again, or just turn your airplane mode on and off, and then please reconnect. That's all. You have now free internet connections. Congrats.